Hello everyone and welcome to this week's arrangement, which is all about colour. And it's another in our Artist in Residence series where I've collaborated with my old friend, the artist Rose Electra Harris. And I actually went to Rose's studio and I was so inspired by one of the mediums she uses to draw with that I wanted to create an arrangement reflective of all of these different colours that actually work beautifully together. So to reflect this, I've actually used vibrant and popping red roses, and you might think it is a little bit weird to use red roses, but I just feel the colour of these red eagle variety are so vibrant and popping with everything else that I really wanted to use them. Then we move on to some lovely hypericum, which adds a lovely bobbly texture around the edge of the vase. Bringing a vibrant pop of yellow to the arrangement is this fluffy solidago that's going to fill out the centre of the bunch. And then some lovely Santini. You're either going to get this lovely variety called Doria Cherry or a slightly more purple version, but it just brings another colour to the palette. A slightly darker red, we have these beautiful Maryland red antirrhinums standing tall and structural in the middle. And then bringing some pale pink to the arrangement, these lovely delicate Lysianthus. Always remember your flower care. You've got to snip an inch off the end of all your stems. You've got to use room temperature water, fill your vase about a third full, and use your flower food. So like Rose will use her crayon box to create her piece of art, these are my crayons to create a beautiful arrangement. So let's create it now. And I'm going to do that by starting with my popping red roses evenly around the edge of the vase. And then I'm going to face my hypericum opposite each other, and then my Santini opposite each other, creating a square with my hypericum. So these are all sitting at the same height, and then we'll have some taller flowers in the middle. Now I'm going to fill out the centre a little bit with this fluffy solidago, and I'm just going to face them opposite each other. I can stand them upright a little bit using the stem grid for support, and now we have a little bit of oomph in the middle of the vase. Next, I can create an even triangle with my antirrhinums, and to finish, our Lysianthus upright in the very middle, and you kind of want to spear it in a little bit, maybe by pinching all of the branches together and just whopping it in the middle like that. So there we go, a kind of clash of colours, but actually all combined work beautifully well. I hope you love this bunch. See you next time.